just knew right then that we were meant to be. I don't wanna love nobody else if I can't love you. Cause this feeling that I'm feeling, baby girl, it's true.
Devon, may I come?
Well, I tell you, I'm tired, yo. Them double shift here, trust me. And an easy thing. You know. What time I turn up so long, you come like, my shoes. My foot get bigger than my shoes. You know what I'm wear there? God, no. Go looking at some different shoes I know. So what I going?
Where do you say you want to talk to me about?
Oh, yeah. But, brother for the land, Mr. Brown. Talk back to him. Because let me tell you, babe, the way the land here work, right? The way the land something here work, you see. You see the people where they find when they pay tax on the land how long, at them kind of land there. But it's a nice piece, the piece that I try to get, it's a nice piece. But Mr. Brown say, the land cost about 5 mil. But they say if we give him 1 mil, we're good. And a whole lot of people that look on it. So I say, yo, if we give him that mil there, I already calculated, look, on my phone there. Listen, T, listen, just listen to me. I say, no. You see, alright. You see, if we got some bombs, right? And you see, if we put in, like, I get double now. And if we do double, I already calculated. Double, this so. And double this so now. You see, by next summer, you can have the mill.
By next what?
By about next summer.
You lick your head, you know?
What do you mean?
You sick? No, be for real, Devon. Like, be for real. Do all our savings I go to the land?
Yeah, we don't want the land. We have it.
Or we go pay the bills and or we go buy food and or we go take care of ourselves. Because that sound like everything go to the land.
True, but I think say maybe we can cut down on all the, the oxtail cooking and all them liquid there. We can maybe eat more sardine, tin mac, I think about I'll sell all that for there. Like, why me need that S23? We can't even sell this, put the money down, and you even go and work with a banger. And them sacrifice them.
Focus. Just stop your talking.
We really need it.
Just wait now. So Mr. Brown say if we give him 1 million off of the land, we can go and build upon it.
I just 1 mil feet. That land, this man them not pay the tax for about 35 years now. And 1 mil will cover it. That's all we need.
How much you have in your account already?
Probably about 50-something thousand. That's why I do my calculation and I say if we go so, boom. And if we put in double this, so probably say about the ending of next year, November, we could have been right there with where you are. How much hours I get over there? What you do? And then we can do it, man. I tell you, kind of people are planning about this. If you tell a man rate me, and we after me did help him last summer with that thing there.
Too excited to come in and chat one bag of foolishness. Because I know I can't make sense out of what I say. Like, me just can't make sense out of what I say. We live in a rent house, so if we pay rent, we have to pay a light bill and the water bill and buy food and take taxi to go work. Buy lunch at work.
Well, what you want to do? I mean, we can't rob a bank yet. We just try look at the most reasonable scenario how we can get this money. I mean, they want to come out of the rent house and build your own. That's the ideal thing. And good thing, I really pay because my boy then still pick you up, right? And I mean, save money there, so.
Yeah, but you don't get to pick me up every single day.
Let me not think you pick up every day.
In pick me up. Say you have a life, you don't have a life.
You don't know
what about the days when you have to go deal with, which a long time, me not take taxi, but what about the days when you go get a car to go sort out something? That still counts. We have to think wise. You're not. Don't worry. We will figure it out.
What you suggest?
We will figure it out.
Because we now can get it before that. Where you said that too long? I mean, at the best scenario, me fuck up.
Summer, why? Me can't wait until summer. This will take all of my money, the rent or something, drain me, and I understand the van. Me if you pick up extra shift, you are the one double, right?
Yeah.
And me if you pick up extra shift and the house just there empty and we still have to pay the bills. Majority of the time we do there, we still have to pay the bills. You know, understand? Me can't do this no more.
Well, I don't know what you do, but if you can come up with something better, me don't know.
Why you can't come up with something better? Why me need to wait until summer before we can buy one land? Summer just done. Literally 1 more year we have to go wait. We've been on wait over 4 years now. And every year come you bring up a different plan.
Alright. No worry about it. Just we figure it out. We figure it out. Alright?
I'm so tired.
It takes so long this evening.
I know where me come from. The manager stressed me out. Like the lady said it was okay for 5 o'clock and then she called me and said if I could pick up the next hour. Pick up the next hour, she said the person if let me go. Now come and me have to go and bad fish. So me there now. Me tell us I'm tired. I'm here for work for why you never come around there so?
No, but I'm just there, so I'll wait, yo, man. So I'm gonna give some time, but it take forever, yo.
Cause if you did come around there, some would have to take the extra 15 minutes. Look how far me for work from. Anyways, why you just like that?
How you mean? What am I just? How am I
All
just?
of us today start look good. You never used to look this good.
What I mean? What is wrong with you? Everybody now have to change it up some at the time.
Yeah, but what happened?
No, I mean,
You just decide to go step up for a game?
yeah.
Well, it's alright.
Yes.
You look nice. This look good.
Yeah, thanks. This is me more. I can't just certainly have to take a look at shopping this off, you know?
So me and you so far?
No. Remember, you have your people. It's all good. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, do this, huh? No, you manage to make me wait for you so long.
You know somebody you want to read about something?
What is that?
Me and Devon actually get one land.
Yeah?
Yes, because you know the rent was something enough to me. It take a lot out of you. And then like work me if I pick up extra shift and I be so tired sometimes so I try to start to come out to the rentals.
See?
But you know you go cost way. Like
What I mean? Which way you want the place?
I'm not sure yet, but like we want to come out of the get around us over there.
Well, I mean,
And I really get about something more schemish, more quiet, more.
you have an idea as to where your budget there, isn't it? Where's your budget?
Our theme budget there.
Alright.
And you know you're not going to really find a land cheap either way. It still go cost no matter where you take it.
Look here now, man. I can tell you this. If you want the land, you have the money, you buy the land.
But that's the thing. We barely have the money.
Don't have the money.
No, why you think me I take up extra shift for?
God.
Just
You know,
because?
funny you should have said this. You know, somebody my arm up on this site. Very, very close to it, you know. And me notice that
Like,
I him not a call him.
no, my manager just said, I know she go tell me to pick up extra shift tomorrow.
John. Anyways, you know, say have this. I must know some people actually that do it. Shanique is a good friend of mine, and she does the only fun thing. And believe me, I tell you, say in a no time, girl own land, girl own car, girl are going good with herself.
So,
I mean, so I am just saying, it's something you can look into. I mean, you may never know.
like as a friend, actually suggest this to me.
Hey, it's a means of getting some money, don't it? Don't you want the money?
People are gonna judge me for that. And me in a relationship, I can't believe you suggest that to me.
Look here now. Don't worry about the judging part, because there's a way to actually go around that. Your boss now stop calling you.
No.
Cha-cha. Look here now. You don't have to worry what people have to say. I
Why?
want to make your money. Don't worry about people.
It's gonna be uncomfortable in the street because people go find out over time.
And you care zero. You gotta have your house and you gotta have your money and you gotta have your land.
And then when my man go think about
Well, I mean, you can talk to him.
And tell him someone the OnlyFans?
Well, you don't have to say it in that way, there. But, you can just tell him, say, oh, you want to do a try an experiment to see what happens to make some extra cash. Look here now. You look good. Tiana, your shape good. You look good. People are going to pay for them things, then. Don't knock it until you try it.
But like, the backlash and everything, because people go find out. And them have a family.
And them have a whole heap of people from mouth for feet just the same. And you see them other girls doing it, and they're making money. And you don't hear them complaining about who see them parts and who see what part. No. Everybody just do them things. So life goes on.
So you never hear nobody talk bad about nobody?
I don't hear nobody do nothing about that. It's an only I mean, the world is like that now. It's so easy to access these things. Come on. Do your thing. Live your local life.
I don't know.
Think about it,
like,
man.
oh, me tell Devon. Like,
You're about the wrong thing, man.
that what me now want to lose my relationship.
And it's nothing to break up a relationship.
Yes, me go tell babe more on the OnlyFans.
But you don't explain it to him like that. You can tell him, say, oh, you have a little job wherein you go try make some extra cash. However, you don't want to disclose it just yet.
You would be okay if your lady wanted to do the OnlyFans? Not like be free, like think about
If me don't know, no problem.
If you don't know, so we are see and leave.
Right, you don't
well,
have
that
to
if you did say that, but like then would have to lie now.
You don't have to lie because he doesn't
know. Where the
know.
extra money you come from?
You inherit it, your grandfather, grandmother.
No, you would dead and give me the money.
I don't know, probably I can't use it too.
You know what? So what's up? It even matter. The conversation not gonna no more because me not gonna do it. So we can just scratch it right here. So
really?
We cannot do it. That's it for me.
Alright.
You can carry me run at the ATM so we can check if the money come from my card.
Make sure you can wipe on that thing there. Jack it up on that thing there. If you can't do your thing with that thing there, native wine take your place, you have to run way. Make sure you can wine off that thing there. Dirty wine and go down on that thing there. If you can't do your
Hello, what you say?
native wine take your place, you have to run way.
Me don't have no money for give you. What am to you? Me already tell me not have any money. Shella. Me go start do this, you know. What you mean bad energy? Me can't do this again, cause me put in my hand, you just had stand my thing, you know. Me not think you work with me. You know, pay me right, you know. I mean your best. What you mean? Me not don't do the blank and say me your best, yo. Can't do this, yo. You have to either raise this if me top. That's something me that do when you call me, you know. So make me know if you go raise me. I think if you no raise me, I go tap. Me not joke. You know see me a laugh. Or you can't hear me. Just make me know. Aye. Can't do my thing in peace. You come tell me shit on my head.
Back it up and back it up now. Position cause you're ready for roast up now. Make up your face cause the thing feels so sweet now. No kidding around, you're big enough now. Make sure you can wine pan that thing there. Jack it up on that thing there. If you can't do your thing with that thing there.
Yeah, left out now.
Yes.
You know me that thing. And that thing said, you really need the land. So if I get mad, but it was that thing said, a vacation, you know, the vacation we take once a year, maybe we can figure out the vacation for that year. Yeah? What do you think? We can just make the vacation go on and then we just put the money together. Me go on the double and you go on the thing and then can we actually do everything so we can get as fast as we can.
I'm alright with making the sacrifices that we need for making up.
Yeah.
But like we talk about every day, right? We go pay the rent, light bill, water bill, buy food, taxi, transportation for you, right? Right? And then we go do double. Like right through we are the double. We now need a break. That makes sense?
What do you mean?
No, it makes sense?
Right now, I can't even think about break. I just want the land.
So for the next year, we go save. We up on the same page? Okay. So we go save. We go pick up double, right through.
Yeah.
And don't take a break. Oh, so next double that we go pick up right through again. So when we go get a break? When? Make it work. Devon.
Eh?
Why you come so early?
What time now? No, I come have 3 o'clock. Where I did? I have to go back again.
Yeah, I forgot about where you pick up on double.
Yeah. I forgot.
See, you're not wash off, you're not eating nothing.
No, I don't have time. We do that down the man. Just
You will do what?
go and do your thing. Me have my toothbrush in my bag and all them something like. You just go and do your thing and no man, me have to
So
go
when you
back
come
now.
up here,
Come to and catch like I want to get about half hour sleep.
so you pay 6 bills, come up here just to pay 6 bills, go back away, and we are try to save money.
But what me fi do? Me need the double tea, come on.
Yeah, waste money while we are trying to save it.
Waste?
Yes, sir.
What do you call that waste?
Because when you go at $1,200 that,
You want me to sleep?
and then you go say you go get something to eat at work, so you go buy something to eat, right?
Well, me don't know you cook. Me don't have time for you cook by the time you fi cook and peel this and let and pat simmer down. Me don't have time. I have to go back.
But can't do this, just stay there.
I can't stay. You know.
Why?
We'll see you later, man. Alright?
Just stay there. You can pick up the double tomorrow.
No, they tell them to me I come in already. Just we'll see you later, yeah? I'll go back there.
Yeah, man. Alright, see how you for.
Who you tell about me?
I have to wait for you so long again, B.
Why you not come round here and see me before I come all the way around here so then you complain every day? Come on.
Sure. I'm like, wait, crying.
So why you come all the way around here then? Just come round here so.
Alright, let's go. What on earth today?
Not much, the same old.
So your boss still appreciate about the overtime?
Why not? But you know, I'm alright with the overtime because we need the money, but I be tired sometimes. And every time we can pick up an extra shift.
I understand. I was busy on the back to school settings. You normally say quiet. Normally you don't burn me is already with what going to work and now your supervisor pressure you. How the on your mind?
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest.
Talk to me.
So, the thing what we there talk about, you know,
No, OnlyFans?
it was
Wait, you have been giving it some thoughts?
A lot of cards, like me could have stopped thinking about like even my anxious at work, even my anxious every day. Ever since you tell me, it just even me the one me act like me have no sense.
I mean, try it.
Try it, stop force it in my head. But me also like, but I kind of don't look a bit of research, but I don't find much information. So like how you know about it, tell me what we need to know.
I mean, there's so much I know more I can actually tell you. But I can tell you that it is something worth looking into and trying if you are look for make the money as fast as you want to really make the money.
Anxiety
But-
can kill me.
Hear me I say, let us not even talk about it right now. Come over here, I'd come link you one of them there and we'll go through it.
You want to have OnlyFans over my house?
I mean, wait, me and a friend.
Yeah, but wow, we have to have OnlyFans?
Yeah, I mean, you know, but I can get to show you certain things on the computer so you can get to have more understand what is going on. And we can show you some photos too. Say I don't really know, bear it all of the photos. I just parts here show. Some look about the parts and just shake up a little bit and
Me hear some guy like, as it relates to the OnlyFans, like some guy have like a fetish, so some of them will ask for like foot pics and like so.
see it?
So like that part, me would have do that part then like. So you can choose like,
You can choose what you want, but this is what I'm saying. I can best explain it to you over your house on the laptop.
see you know me they have them, just come, anyone of me they have, come tomorrow. After
Tomorrow is
today,
good
know
for
the
you?
man a go over 10 o'clock.
Alright. No problem. We can do that.
So,
Yo, stop make the thing look so man. It's not a big deal. You know I do nothing wrong or illegal.
it is some. What you mean? Make sure so when people start backlashing me in the streets, you're there for me and have my back.
Always have your back. My come
That's not true,
my come
that's
say every day come pick you up.
That is true.
So
But I'm still unsure. So.
no worry, listen.
We need a drink. We could go get a drink.
Alright, we can do that.
Alright.
We can actually do that. No problem. Alright, so this is it now. Cool? So I'm gonna pull up the website and I'm gonna show you what I'm going. Here so, click there so, and that is it.
So it's going to be the same on my computer, right?
Yeah man, you man tell them man, they talk about the same thing man. So click this, bam, see it up on the page now. Yeah? And see it? No, go on differently.
I said it's supposed to look?
What do you mean by if I say it's supposed to look? Wait, look different?
Yes, so that's not OnlyFans.
Just cool, no baby girl. This is not OnlyFans. This is the next one. This is a new one. This one I name Only One. You know what I mean? Alright. So watch
Listen.
it. Only One, it is an exclusive site. Which now it only tailors you to one person for view you at a time, and that is the person which is paying the highest bid. You don't need the OnlyFans part of it, because OnlyFans are gonna have everybody access to your thing. This now is exclusive and tailored to you. So you have one person you deal with, and they collect the money. So watch it. Cool photos. Hey, you can make up to all $150,000 a day.
So all you have access to them, you?
How me have access to it? Because me have other friends were involved in it. Me have a couple girls and you are the first person.
So like, if I have like one client, people gonna be able for me access.
No, it's you and the person. It's an exclusive link. It's like a one-on-one personal. That's why it's named
Alright,
Only
so what
One.
would I do if him share my stuff then?
They're not going to share it. They can't share it without your permission. Just cool, no, man. The thing's safe, my G. Then look on it. You don't know she.
I mean, I see the things I want
You don't
to
know
do my
her.
research.
Why make you think she a drive up her big vehicle and have up her car? Are the things them she a do?
Well, that actually look good.
Yeah, them not tell you one, baby girl. Only one at the thing. Don't worry about nothing, man. You
How
mess.
me create the account? Cause
You know that's why I'm there now. I gotta help you. And so you go in at the
so
inside.
it's possible for create it on here or something. I'm just like
I log it in onto your own. No problem at all. So you actually just access it from here. So good. You sign in your name, put in your name. Sign in your name in that. Yeah. See it? And say put in your address in that. Put your age. Put your age. Watching a man stop second guess the thing to be. I'm money me saying and you want to make the money though.
I mean,
Easy. Watch out. You can show an elbow and make 50 grand. You can imagine.
alright, finish it.
Just put in your age now. You have no recent photo of you?
So me put display one photo on it?
Then the people them not have to see what them a buy baby girl and can't buy pussy in a bag. You have to put up a look of decent photo.
Let me see me.
Put up something where look a bit sexy.
Alright, that can I use.
See what I talk about? You ain't going to say you know what I'm going. Stop worrying, man. So now let me take over from this now. So you put in that there, so. Alright. Link in that. Add this. Cool. Watch it.
So like, how would I like get my first client? Or, like,
Oh, watch your face, man. You see, as soon as me upload the photo, as soon as this photo upload, and your profile upload, right away people can access to your thing. So you're gonna have them a ping in. And a ping them and go ping in, and just a ping in, and you have the first client in a less than 3.
Alright, click it.
You ready?
Yeah, click
Do it? Alright. Wow.
Then just wait.
You just have to wait. Remember, man. I'm gonna make some money for this client.
Stop, Cho.
Gentlemen, real talk, you're gonna be good. You're gonna eat some food, be simple like maths, man. You can't
Sit
lose.
so come up on it.
See, them things that I talk about in a less than 3, you're gonna
Just make sure somebody hear about this, you know. I say, I don't know what I do if Devon find out.
Never not find out nothing, man. This a between me and you. This is me and your business.
18, you know?
Don't worry about nothing, man. 18,000 no, man. Click off for that, man. Watch out. You see, the more, you see, understand this now. You see, the more you show, the more money you make.
What you mean?
You know what I mean? So, you sure look how skin and pull up your tight, pull up your front, look a bit.
Tough boy, you praise themselves, say them big. When them up girl, them all end up joining.
Yo, shut up.
About the size and the length where you have.
Come on.
You move your body when you're in this action.
No, what going? See how it work, don't?
Shelly, you know I'm going good, you know.
What you mean, me not going good?
Nah, I'm going good, yo.
I take care of you, B.
What? Take care of who? This thing not work out, charge it.
Me by the thing not work.
Yes, the man I will get 50,000 and 20,000 and anything there. You know, man I get all 15 all 10, sometimes all 5 grand, brother.
You man son B. You don't know what the problem be. Yeah, watch your thing, man. Look how much clothes you're stealing at. Okay, you're stealing too much clothes, B.
Yeah, so what you want me to do? Take off more of my clothes?
They not for sure the thing to get the money.
Me never, me not
You don't want the money?
No. If I say to go, want to shallow man?
Oh, that's cool, no, B. You have on too much clothes, my girl. Show the people them some skin and that the people them want to see.
No, you want me stand up, make you see me in a shallow? I literally don't.
See where you're in a, no, man, I will that's still too much clothes, B. Me see, yo, I'm going to tell you about Jessica. Jessica, one of my clients, them. I'm going to tell you, say, Jessica bear it all, man. A jaws alone, me and tell you, say, Jessica in a thing in a B. And Jessica collect, as she collect the 60 and the 70 grand. Yeah, ramp for the thing. What that me make you know?
Shall I you style man to know?
You talk about style, yo.
You see, I go compare me to other people. Shall I style man
I
to
do no
know?
comparison, B, but me I make you know what she do for make the more money. I just saw the thing set. Take off some of you have on all at B. You don't need that thing on this thing, yeah?
No worry about me. Just make me a give you by mountain, Shella. Because if this now work out, brother.
Then show your vibes, my girl. That's cool, man. The thing I work.
Me going to do the only fun thing, you know. Because it's only one thing now work.
No.
Me gonna do the real
No.
one. You can't.
B.
You can't
No
work.
bother with that, man.
No.
Only
Shella,
one I
listen to
read.
me.
Watch out now when time this thing and take off. Are you gonna be the leader? Are you gonna be the face of this thing, yeah? Yo, baby girl, nobody can go hold you, you know.
Listen to me. Don't come in as the country and bribe me. Me say month end are the latest, Shella.
Joke, man.
You know, I'm not have to show skin for get views. You know, I'm not your best. I don't know how come in here, come bribe me and come tell me about other people. Shella,
Yes,
you need
but baby girl, you can be better. Just do the do, no, man.
get out. Me I gotta do
What
it.
thing for you, know?
No, I'm not friend.
So you know why you pay?
How much is it, Shella?
You understand, man? Because you know do the thing the real way, a certain way still. You see me at the same 15, I'm gonna tell us say what you
Yeah,
got to
style me thing,
Nah,
Shella.
style the thing, man, be.
Give me money, Shella.
Just. I already want me send it to your account.
Give me no one.
Alright,
Give
watch
me.
this now. I'm paying in US, you know, so. Good? Alright, so.
Month, you say if you this not pay no raise by mountain, Shella, me say. A different thing,
Hey,
man.
it's about up and just go on with the door, man.
Just
What's it? Get client, man. Respect here. Later.
idiot.
Yo, take me, walk on.
Can I take too long, Slashella?
Yo, you don't know certain things going on, my general. Where's all the rain, all the fall, you see me? I just saw them things a whole up, man. But my have it things still, you see?
So how much this?
A 30, man.
Shella, joking upon, brother. A 50-50, I tell me, brother, say, we are doing the thing, brother.
But the thing kind of slow, you know, still on my G car.
Yo, you're ramp with the man thing, brother. You really ramp with the man thing now, Shella.
Apologize, my G, man. I just saw the thing setting and I work on it still, man. I fix it.
Yo, joke thing, this. Joke thing. You tell the man the thing gonna work. You see me? You tell the man the thing gonna work, brother. We need to take out all the funds out of business. You see it?
I got do it, man.
You're being messed up, bro.
You know, man. I can't certain look the girls are not fully engaged in the thing just yet, you see me? So I work on it, you see me? I deal with it, but I guarantee you, man, by the next payment, man, I get the thing right, man.
I'm gonna say, mash up a man carrying a man. You want a lot of money, brother. And if you get the thing right, bro.
I know I mess up, you know. I work on it, you know, but tell your brother say, no, have to worry, my general, man. If don't have to worry, man, I'm not let him down, you see? I got deliver, man. Promise you.
Still I go on still. I cannot protect you with that 30 still. But next time, make sure you come to 50, brother. Because you tell the man, say, I go start the thing the right way.
My deal with my boss, man. I appreciate it, man. You see me?
Alright.
You see me?
Alright, chilla.
Deal him up for me, yeah?
Alright, chilla. Alright.
Yeah, respect.
You know I'm coming over, babe. You don't have to wait no more. Tonight I'ma fulfill all your fantasies. I'ma lay it out like this. Baby, tonight I'll be coming over. Why don't you leave all your cares behind? I've waited so long, girl, for this moment. Tonight I'm not gonna waste no time. And I know you like it nasty, and I wanna freak you. So I'll start at the top and go down to your toes. I'm not gonna stop, no, till I hear you moan. I'ma do it all to you, babe. Cause tonight I'm gonna freak you, baby. Oh yeah, and I'll take it slow, real cause slow. Tonight I'm gonna make you crazy. Take it down on the floor. I won't stop until you feel me, baby. Then I give you some more. See, I won't stop till I hit the spot. Baby, tell me if you're feeling that, feeling that. Unlock the back door, unplug the telephone. Cause I'm hoping we can be alone. Light me some candles, spread some roses, and meet me by the fireplace. I wanna see the thong, girl.
I'll go on, babe.
Negligee, and
Oh, yeah, get some rest. I tell you. How did me say? Maybe we could have all dinner together. What you say? Yeah.
I'm tired.
You tired? Yeah, see up on the computer do it. I don't order nothing.
No, I never did order anything. That put on this a long time. But I research something.
Oh. I
But
mean,
you can order something if you like. Come and now, I'm tired.
oh. Channel, me know. I'm tired too. No, I go. Also, maybe, I cook two noodles. The ramen name. See? Alright, go back, we'll get to sleep.
You know, I go on so bad still, you know. So, you don't know. Send a thing to your account, so just...
I'm not going so bad.
You know, I go on too bad, be just cool, man.
So I'm not getting no ping.
Just look, no, man, me send the thing to your account. See there?
Let me check it again. Can maybe it not come up?
What you mean? I eat that, man.
This
What you mean?
a 3 days straight, you know?
Yeah, and no good money that for 3 days.
You rob me or something?
Me rob you for?
20 grand? 20 Jamaican dollar?
Me say no be. You know say how I saw the thing go.
I don't know that when you tell me I say a good side hustle, we make money 20 grand for 3 days, that no make sense.
You will make good money, but you have to do more. You have to show more, baby girl. Come on, man.
What, first of all, you never say me not to do all of that until the day you come over here and say me have to show some skin. I'm say, alright, cool. Man, no problem to take off my top, which I did, so me I get 20 grand.
The client, them a complain, say you not too much clothes, B. I does that. Them a complain, say you not too much clothes.
Man. You not remember.
Are you and the one person is a one-on-one situation, you know? But in the room, you know, are you all in the man alone? So you gonna make the bread.
Me no know, I'm skeptical about this. And then this kind of make me feel like me just want to stop call 20 grand.
Hey, my son, man, don't watch that phone there. Don't watch that because you see the more you put in, the more you gonna get out. The moment tell you, you say, oh, Shanika live good. Shanika nice, you know, baby girl.
Who is this Shanika? Every day you keep on at some
Hey, my son, man. Alright.
You
want to make the money? You want to make the good money?
Warproof.
You want to make the good money?
Yes, but me not really
Alright. So here what me I gonna do? Me, I gonna set you up with Shanika and make sure say you get some tutorials. You see me? I make sure teach you the ropes of the thing. Let me show you what I go on and make sure show you how she make the big bucks. Shanika teach you the ropes. How do that?
Devon, come hide. Oh, babe. Oh, babe.
Oh, you still there? You know, still left your phone?
I'm still there. I'm telling me I'm going to work today. Today I'm there.
Oh, that you say? I'm so busy, I'm not even remember. Ah, what a smell they do, you? We had to change perfume?
Oh, no, it's mine. We mix it with yours.
Smell
That's
good.
why I take it like one masculine, feminine vibe, not you?
Yeah. True. It smell good. All right, later.
Yeah, because I go later.
Yeah.
Him gone?
Yes.
Yo, what can I stay like? You tell me say man nah come back.
Why he come back? He come for your phone, you go like somebody tell us say him nah go there and him there.
Yo, that too close for comfort. I'm not stay as suck. I don't want the man to smell of
Why
no
you tell us to hide? Like we do some weird shit.
I don't know, you know, I just act on impulses, you know, because I'm a little caught in them situation. Anyways.
Oh, so regular, you do them something here.
You may say, no, man, don't worry about that.
Shalaz, listen, no, man, just, me not understand why me make 20 grand though.
You may say, no, man, I tell you, there is a formula to the thing. And I'm going to make Shanice explain the thing to you. And as soon as she do that, you're going to learn everything.
So she go, me have to go invite her over, me I go to her.
Well, anyway, we have to work out something, man. Anyway, which one works best. And more. I'm not rather we got it. Because I don't like the fact that your man walk in from a while like a big man thing.
And him not live here.
I'm not comfortable with that, you know. So here what I say. I go make the link. Don't worry about anything, man. Just show some more, man.
So she cool and she not like run her mouth.
No, man. Okay.
Because you know me, remember I have my money and I like me want to break up relationship but there's the money. Me I try.
She's a professional at what she does. You go see it. Trust me. She sell millions. Trust me. Yep.
So like you feel like we can get the land before
listen me no man. You can get the land before the man know it. Just
sure.
Positive. You understand? Okay. I work it out, man.
Okay.
Oi.
Oh, me that check your babes by the things ever. What? You like what you see?
I
think
can't
you
do
want
it.
to go on my client?
My goodness.
Mm?
Yeah. What do you mean? Of course.
Not touch me and move. What do you? Eh?
So, what thing say?
Go on. Alright. Okay, well, this is my room.
Okay, so let's see what up now.
Alright, so me do like 3. Me go to work 3 times with Chilla, and he only give me 20 grand, and I say like, he go make a show me the ropes, cause I'm kind of boring, and them look at something like so.
Sheila. Me prefer, me personally, me not get what me want. But you see, because, you know, me go help you because you say, help those who help themselves, and yeah, me say, yeah, try, so why not teach you the ropes?
Well, to be honest, he must say me have to show more skin in order to make more money. But wait, when he did explain it to me the first time, he did tell me that I make some money. But if I wanted to make more, I could have show some skin. Some of that I think somebody make 20 grand for one day.
The thing
but
is,
he might pay me 20 for 3.
Shella, one thing with Shella, you must go grow your thing. You don't have to show your skin. You can show your skin, but you don't have to. You can just do the basics like what me I go show you now. So, you ready?
So like how much you draw down in a one day?
You see with Shella now, Shella give me 15. You're lucky I get 20.
15 for one?
15.
Yeah, but me not get 15 for one, me get 20 grand for 3 days. Let me tell
I
you.
still not see difference this, but you're kind of better in a way. So me can go on the bed, right?
Yeah, you can come on.
Alright. Alright, so the first one, I know you're going to be all your arch, right? So, you're going to make sure, say, your breast, up so, down so. And up here, so, if you're up so. Okay?
I don't think I have a problem to do that, but I like, him just has to like my boring and...
Try that, let me see.
The arch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. So, where your problem?
Him just has to do more activities and do more stuff, you know?
So, where you feel like you have a problem with?
I can't say I'm kind of boring for you because I just new to it. I'm not used to talk to the people and them all watch me and I come in the same time.
I feel like the moves are not really your problem. I feel like the expression and like looking at the camera, you know you're there little and you know.
Alright, let me go live and see.
Alright, do that. And let me see why really your problem.
Okay. You go take 1 minute for load up.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, we have to wait a little bit. So like, what you would have liked me to do? Like, show me some of your moves or like, cause normally me up and them would like to take off your top and take off my top. Me take off my top and that's it. Me not really like.
Yeah, cause you realize me not really have on the top much that.
Okay.
Me not really showing the skin enough.
20 people up on it.
So let me see what you do first.
But like you have a problem to go up on mine?
Wouldn't be a problem, but.
So you could have like go first and then me see what you see and then me do it after.
Alright.
Okay. You want it on the big screen or make it stay like that?
I can't even really move in this still, so I don't know what's going on.
That good?
Alright.
Okay.
And then say you have to like turn on the camera and give them eye contact.
We can try.
Try.
Alright. Okay.
Try. Great. I feel like you're not hard for learning. Look how easy that be. Good. I don't really feel like you have no problem,
I'm going to mute the mic. Remember, them can't hear.
Alright, mute it.
Alright, so like that, right?
Yeah, just
So like...
you have to just give them eye contact. You know, you do little moves now and then, and you know, you're good girl. I don't feel like you have no problem.
So, but you must like my boring and that's why I can only make 20 and I must like, you know.
So, you read your comments them? What they must say?
No, the first time I see a couple comments and I just like shut it down same time and say, my car, shall I call him and a reason with him and I say, yeah, say it, go and go.
I feel like you need to read your comments them and see what they might tell you to do. Because you have to work with half of them.
Oh, like that? Yeah, man, me read it and they must say, like, take off your top. Like, Pastor Greg always up on it. He mostly like want me show my underwear.
Yeah.
Just
well,
like,
that's the
like
thing, you have to work with them,
Like Jeffrey Nelson, him would have more like me for show breast. You know? So like would read it, but not like the actual comment, like when me do it, like them would say like, hey, you're boring, or like me not like look on the part, because I don't want them like
so
break my mood.
that's the reason why you don't really get eye contact?
Yeah, me not really look on it like that, you know?
Girl, I don't really see no problem with you. The only thing me see you need to do, read your comments and see what they want you to do and just give eye contact and you do your moves because you're great. Me not really see no problem, You know what is the only problem? Me I forgot phone shella because me want to know how you get 20 and me I get 15.
But you get 15 in one day.
Don't worry about that. It's not no really no
no, but I make him know say me say that. Just make him
No,
know the shoot go good and see.
Alright girl, me will link you but good job.
Got Pastor Greg. You like that? Do it again.
Make sure you can wipe on that thing there.
Okay.
Tack it up on that thing there. If you can't do your thing with that thing there, make it wine, take your place, you have to run away. Make sure you can wine up that thing there. Dirty wine and go down on that thing there. If you can't do your thing with that thing there, make it wine, take your place, you have to run away.
Who have a newcomer? Giovanni Brown. Okay. Hi, Giovanni. So whatever I do here, you pay $200 and up, nothing below. So whatever you want me to do, you need to send the money first. That's how it works. Okay, well, thank you, Giovanni. One arch. That good? Okay, ILG. So again, you can read the pin paragraph, you know. So you pay $200 for everything you want me to do, nothing below. So yes, Giovanni, that's how it works. Oh, this will have LG. Oh, ILG. So yeah, guys, this is not like the regular OnlyFans where you're used to. This is the only one. So like different rules and all. Yeah. Okay, we have Q. Hey Q. Okay, you'd like me to go in my head? 1 second. Okay, let me set you at the angle. You guys like? Okay. Now we have Richard Brown. We have a Giovanni Brown and a Richard Brown. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna call you Richie. Do you like that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, you want that? How much you paying? Okay. All right. Is that good, Richie? Well, guys, I'm gonna have to start my work shift in the next 15 minutes. I got to go. But thank you for logging on today. Bye, guys.
Yeah. What go on? Take what? Bless up, is me. Yeah, me general.
Yeah. Hold on. I'll come.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what you say I go on now?
Are the food me come drop off, man?
Yeah, take that for it. Everything that.
Yeah, man. I 50 that, man, what they talk. What you
Oh, stay.
It a go on good, bossy, man.
Can't see it, say I go on good. I like how you go on to on the road now. But, the cat two girl come away, they never up to standard. You understand?
Yeah, bossy.
You have to understand, so we have a market, you know, and we have a demand. The client, them always have them like a very specific type of girl.
Yeah, bossy.
You understand? With them not like you want them to do up them body, them like it natural, the yam and dumpling, banana body girl.
Oh, yeah, I get bossy. Yeah, man. I them I work with them, because I tell you, I have two right now, bossy. I them. I the right hit, man.
Yeah, man, go for St. Thomas, man, and we find enough up there.
Alright.
Them not really used to the chopping life. You see, when them are used to the chopping lifestyle, they hard to deal with.
I will do that, my boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So next month, same time.
Yeah, man, and just bring in more, let's see if I can carry in some more money to you, know, car.
Anything you say, my boss, man. Alright, respect.
Yeah, man. I don't want them the little girl that we can come here. Big body girl we want, you know, because we have to set the thing, you know.
Pastor Greg is back. Take off my underwear? No. Well, it depends how much money you can send. No, I'm not doing that. Take off my tights, not doing that. For how much money? For how much money, Pastor Greg? 100? No. 300. Let's do 300. Okay, one more.
And I can't wait another minute just to call you my boo. Don't wanna spend another lonely night, cause my body is falling, and baby, this just feels so right. No, I don't wanna love nobody else if I can't love you. Cause this feeling that I'm feeling, baby, it just feels so true.
I'll give my love to you. Baby, anything you say, I'll
Baby,
do.
anything you say,
I don't wanna live my life without you. I just wanna be next to you. But I need you in my life. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. It don't matter what nobody says. Girl, I know that you're the one for me.
Oh, I don't care about what people say. When I'm with you, I feel ecstasy.
Will you love me like I love you?
Sweetie, I just wanna please you.
I will love you till the end
But
of
yeah,
time.
Okay, Miss Campbell. No man, true today did my day off, me never really did
Yes.
check the email.
You can eat,
Okay, Miss Campbell, I'll call you back. Alright?
cook, you know.
Thank you. Alright. Oh, me that talk to my supervisor, guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what is wrong with you?
I'm gonna give you more hours.
No.
I'm gonna raise the pay.
Well, yeah. Yes.
Or the supervisor position.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
A lie. No, babe, seriously. Come on, I got love way.
I can't take up more hours if I want, but alright, so I'm gonna go in less and I'm gonna work like half day. So that I get more time at home, and if I want to take up more hours, I still not have to work overnight or work till late.
Ja. That sound good.
Pretty awesome. So you know, within a April we can buy the land like us actually summer this time for real and not
For
wait
real?
until next summer.
Yeah, quick, I don't. I'm gonna have to do some more double. Ja, no, I like that. I make we go eat. I'm gonna cook.
Eating or eat out?
Eat out? That's how we are
Yes,
going?
what, babe, look, you know me, I try to get the promotion for the longest. I'm finally get it, why not?
True. But babe, I could just be smart about this for a while now. I could just eat in it now.
Why? You cut a vacation, you cut look a weekend date, you cut everything I know. I actually get a promotion, just make we eat out. Alright, yeah, we'll go cook for today and eat and then like maybe another weekend then.
I could do that.
Alright.
Mr. Brown. Yeah, na Devon, man. Hey, guess what? Yeah, I think we're gonna be ready for a down payment soon. Yeah, man. So I'll just keep you posted. Yeah, real soon. Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, man.
Your eyes closed?
Yeah.
You sure?
Positive, you know, see.
Okay.
What a
so
surprise.
You know, relax now. You know I'm gonna get the promotion, right?
Yeah.
And like over the past years, since everything happened and we start pick up double, we'll be able to get to cheat ourselves and cheat each other.
True.
But in the beginning, You buy me anything, I'ma buy you anything, right?
True.
So I'm my turn for start about the cycle. Right?
Ah, jeez, I thought you buy me a bike. A bike?
You want a bike?
Oh,
This is like the second time you hear talk about a bike. I never know you actually wanted a bike.
wouldn't mind one, but yeah, I don't know what I talk about.
Okay, well, open your eyes. Babe, open your eye.
Blouse and skirt.
Yes.
Are the tan one? What me
The
say me
color
like?
we always want.
Yeah, for real.
And guess what?
A mad thing.
Focus. Guess what?
What?
This is just the beginning.
The beginning.
Yes.
Well, me like how this a go. I like how this look, yeah. But yeah, me think we say we have save money, I think.
Don't worry. We'll have enough. Me, I tell you.
Sure, no. I
And
like
the
it,
class
but
is like 25.
25.
Cheap.
Alright, I like it for real, but
So, come. Because my cook. Well, into that sleep.
oh yeah, sure no. And they keep getting on get hey babe, but listen, you know me not think you know the brother where yeah drive. The same brother, when name?
Shella?
Shella, yeah. Me I think say maybe you could have invite him over. Invite him to dinner.
No. Why?
Yeah, we never really do nothing nice to him. Like, come on, the man save you some money, you know. Oh, that gear drive.
So that's
yeah.
my friend, that's my responsibility for me to take him out, not invite him over here for dinner. That's not weird.
You know, weird. It's a good gesture. We never really, like, you know, show you so you appreciate it.
Okay, well, hope you be nice to him because he's a pretty good, cool guy.
You know, you know me tell you about this. Just do it, man. I think you should have done it. Just tell him, sir. I invite him over. For the weekend, yeah? Come. So, Sheila, we never really know where you like, so we just tell Tita if we cook a bunch of different things.
Yeah, man, this is really nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, T.
Really. We just want to say we appreciate you and everything we do for over these months, you know?
Yeah, man, a good.
You go alright like that and we just have to appreciate and don't you?
At least that, man.
I'm always saying.
So Sheila, what you do? If you don't mind me asking.
Teen and tell you.
No, we're not
Oh,
talking.
son, you really put this cover to tea?
Me is a businessman, you know.
Business.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So, me kind of help people like, you know, like me see a market, a niche, and me help them get into it, you know. And so, yeah.
So you say, people with business.
Yeah, man, me help people come get to them full potential. Yes, exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, man.
Take it to a higher level.
Oh, just cool, man. You know, then we come to me in a certain level and in a certain need, and I'm help them and you know see it flourishing.
You're the one, man.
Yeah, man, it flourishing, man.
See. Guy, give me a second. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah, that's my nice, man.
You never say nice all along.
Yeah, man, but I never meet him. The food tastes good to me, not tell you.
Thank you.
Yeah, food tastes good. If you invite me over more often.
Which time you come to me? I think I
The boy a liar, you know. You see that boy, yeah.
Wagwan, Devon.
Wagwan. You need to tell that boy you one lie.
I don't remember.
Yo,
Mean.
it's 2 hours now. You don't think I'm a fool?
What you talking about?
You don't think I don't know Wagwan? The time when I left before I'm coming, I smell one fragrance from cologne. You think I don't know, sir? I don't mind cologne that. You think I don't know Wagwan? You think the people around us not talk and tell me say you come to the house every day? Hey boy, tell me where you are doing.
Listen, babe, listen.
He's in my boss.
Lion.
Talk to me and me owe you an explanation, not him. See, invite him over here for cause chaos?
Yeah, man. Talk to
You
Sheena.
know what, go on. Hey, boy, I'm running a file, you know.
Nah,
Boy, file run.
What you,
Boy,
no, listen, Devon.
boy,
What you mean? What you mean by people are tell the things?
You think people are tell me the community small? The boy are show up at the house every day. So now, may I ask you, and may I ask you, what the two on have? What go on with the two on? Yes, you put more on.
No, my boss. No, man.
Boy,
Me not lie to you, my boss. Yo, boss, just cool, my boss. Me not lie to you. Me not do nothing, my boss, man. Just cool, my boss. Boss.
You run the boy file. You see this boy, the boy are one wicked.
No,
Everybody have the boy name a road. Boy, you name Shella. Boy.
just cool, my boss. Boss, me not. Boss, just. No, man, would never do that, my general. Me not do them something, my boss. No, man. I just ride my gear and come home from work at evening time, my boss. Me not do them something, man. I'm a friend, man. I'm a friend. I swear to God, man. I'm a friend. I
I
just.
show up at the house every day. Every week you're at the house. Come say yes, you're at the week for hours. See,
Raise
tell
the voice
us
for
what.
me. Raise the voice for me. Raise the voice for me, no?
Chan don't
You
start.
absent, Devon? You absent, you see?
If me absent,
You absent?
what I don't need. Who I don't need to tell me
No,
something.
man.
First of all, him don't owe you an explanation, and I can't believe that you as a big man invite the man over here for cause chaos. You're stupid.
Cause chaos? You don't see chaos yet.
No, my boss, just cool, my boss.
See, why you never come to me? Why you didn't need to do all of this?
Well, may I come to you now? Cause something I go on. You think them talk. Don't
Talk
even
what? Talk what?
Talk what?
Yes.
Why him a come at the house?
And I'm a friend.
Week after week
It's
after
not my friend.
The hours upon
So you
hours.
feel like say him can't drop me a photo red and I can't find one cup of water?
Him never used to come in, but me say man come in. Something I go on.
Why
know,
you
tell
never
me.
come to me? And that me say, why you never come to me? Why you invite him over here to make him feel
You
bad
know
and
what?
do all of this
You know
embarrassing?
what? You know, so think me either. Shella, I time for you.
Yeah, man. I leave my boss, man. I leave my boss, man. Just cool, my boss. Boss, just cool, man. Just cool, my boss, man. Go, man. Go, man. Jesus Christ.
Alright, G. No. Tell me. Come and know some bad. At night, but me no bad last night. Something I go on with you and I go there. Just tell me what I go on. So who you not say nothing?
Because what me supposed to say? Me shock. You call man all time you have to embarrass him? Eh?
You shock?
And you in here make a punt bag of nice to the neighbors them here. What wrong with you, Devon? Like for real, what do you?
Me know say me a fool. And people are a fool.
You're damn idiot. Because why you think say me a game bun? Why me never leaving and all of them time down here broke and never have no money? And me a bringing in all of the funds now, you know, why me not just left you?
So what I go on?
What you mean
Something
what
I want.
one? What one with
Something
me?
I want, but I
What
tell
one
them
with me and Shella?
Yeah.
Nothing, I'm a friend. Me can't invite my friend over.
Me say me a no fool, Tiana, man. Tell me what I go on, cause me know say people are no fool and me know say something I go on. So just tell me. Me want to know and then me feel that I'm right if you tell me what I go on. After me a no fool.
I am so confused. Like, why you couldn't just come talk to me?
Come hear about the boy and me tell you, so me run the boy file, man. And the first thing will come in my mind.
And the what coming in your mind, me a cheap on your that?
And that coming in my mind. I'm
But
saying,
why?
you know what, dirt, me want dirty boy, you know.
Just. Devon, stop the foolishness. Listen.
Yeah. Me have to say no.
So, me have a lot to tell you, but it didn't have nothing to do with cheating.
Oh, see, that's something I go on. You think me a fool? You think me a fool? My grandmother always tell me, so I have good spirit.
So you have to promise you're not going to flip.
Me not flip. Me calm, man. Me cool like cucumber. Tell me, please.
Just forget it out there. Me and Chilla is not sleeping together. What me even know why you would even think that? No, that's not it.
Oh, thank God. All right.
However,
So, however,
if I want him entrepreneur for real, I will.
this is why you're entrepreneur? What kind of entrepreneur? All right. Sorry.
We kind of work together, you know.
Kind of work together?
All right. Babe, do not lash out. You understand?
All right, tell me work together.
I'm going to do this to me and you.
What kind of work?
So I never actually get the supervisor position.
Jesus. Then really say anything with too good to be true, you know. So what you get?
But me I do one side also with Shella. You familiar with OnlyFans?
Only fun.
So it's a platform where both female and male go on it and them show parts of them body and make some serious money.
One side. Oh, yeah, me hear people that talk about that something there. Well, that you do. T, tell me say that you do.
We needed the money.
So you dip on site?
Yeah, but
Well, like porn up?
no, Devon, me just explain it to you. It's not porn. Nobody can touch me over the internet. You watch me by your phone, that's it.
So you do that?
We needed the money.
And you take off and show stuff?
Yes.
Jesus Christ! Why would you do that?
Because we need the money and you doing double every single day and me not getting to spend time with it, did that drive me nuts? So me say the easier way out, and yes, it better. Because me make way more money.
So the people in Rhone so see that all of that?
Who them go and see it?
Me don't know what me ask you. No, you put me in the conversation. I know me I do all of the same. But just try and figure out what you say. So how that decide the work?
Just stop running your mouth and listen. Listen to me, Devon. Babe, just listen. Yeah, listen?
Me listen, but me not do.
So like a
I understand what me
month
hear.
ago, right? A month ago when me the stress and overwhelm with the work, Shella did tell me about one site named OnlyFans. It was not the first time hearing about it. I was very familiar with the site. I'm really skeptical. I'm take some time and think about it and I'm ready to do it. However, babe, just listen, I'm not doing OnlyFans, I'm the only one. Right? One person alone can join my thing unless I go live where like 1 or 2 people jump on but then pay before. But if I do like, show skin, one person alone, you have to pay for come on and you cannot screen a card because it not gonna allow them to screen a card or take one photo. Unless them have an express in my room and I can't see that.
So
So I just log off.
how deep into this you think you is?
1 month in.
1 month in? Jesus, T. That's why you buy all the clocks and all them something there?
Yes.
Alright, T. Listen, man. When you listen to me. As of today, just cut off that. No more of that foolishness with this oil seller. Him not even have to give you a ride no more. I have to arrange up for D to pick you up on him bike.
Well, we can actually buy our own car now.
Yeah. No, but we still are trying to get the land. But listen to me. Listen to me, T. You see, all of them something there just design for people lose all them dignity. Now if you do them something there, we just take our time, do a thing the hard way, and then we get there. Nobody do them something that will exploit yourself. And that the world wants you to do. You know, see how it drive the whole world crazy. People are lose them soul for vanity and gold. Babe, we could just build this the right way and just get this the original hard way. We can't do it, man. You don't have to do that, man. You don't have to do that. I'm sorry, say, I'm sure you that try to do. I'm sorry, say, you have to do that. I know, say, you not try to help out the situation. But trust me, babe, we could just do it thing the real right way. And just delete Shella number, whatever, rela, where you want.
Why? Why me and Shella the only friend I have though?
This a man I know your friend. Believe me, Mr. Me run the man file. Babe, please, just believe me. We are going to do it thing the right way, the hard way, and we are going to come up. Just trust me. I know you did try to do. But that way there, I know that way there. Nobody go that way there. We don't need to go that way there. We don't need to do all of that. Let them keep them internet. The internet drive people crazy, you know, you see. Everybody on social media and on internet coming, people just go crazy. Yeah, believe me, trust me. We don't need that. We're going to do a thing the original way and we're going to get the land. Alright? We're good? One hear yourself, we're good enough. And you know, you're done with that.
So me gone back to doing doubles and all of them.
Yeah, just trust me. And that's the thing there. We don't need all of that. You don't need to do that. Imagine all your mother find out all them things there. Everything when at the dark come alight, you know. You know that. We talk about this. Everything when that come to light, babe, when you have to look for me and tell me, say, as of today, that done. Forget the fast money there. We don't need that. The slow way or the right way. Easy come, easy go tea. And them something I will talk about. We good? The hard way or the highway. And that's what we think there. Alright, babe?
Okay.
I'm glad to hear that.